in between sets 2 and 3, and set number 2 went pretty much the same way set number 1 went down para sa UST. They were in control from start to finish, Mosey.
That is correct, Eric. And in the middle portion again, once again, UST just pulled away. So parang they had an easier time just cruising, just taking the set once again. And the three-team effort, we really saw a lot of brilliance coming from EJ Laure, the rookie of UST, giving us cut shots, giving us cross-court hits, down-the-line hits, and really just a lot of potential for Coach Oji Mamon.
Nabanggit ni Coach Francis Vicente Mosey na kabado pa yung kanyang mga players.
Yes.
You know, they're going into set number 3. You know, what are the things they need to change if they are even to make, you know, set number 3 a more challenging one para sa UST?
Yun, sabi nga ni Coach Francis, dapat tanggalin na yung kaba. That's for one. Just get their groove back. And as you can see, look at the attack points. Just too many for UST, and UE wasn't able to connect. Just 3 attack points for UE. But what you like, they also had 2 block points against the 3 of UST. And siguro mas bumilis lang nung second set. I felt that UE was a little better than the first set, but they have to be faster definitely if they want to get a set from the ladies.
Final set, if UE can't win one in this match para sa UST. Cortez, that's long. And first point for the first time in this match goes to UE. One serving 0. Set number 3. UE down 2 sets to nothing.
Meneses easy taking there, just looking for the defense spot.
US pretty much gets whatever they want right now. Sa Opensa.
They're making it look so easy for them. And now Cherry Rodina, the other rookie of UST, playing. Oh, from Lastimosa, great hit there.
And there's the other rookie getting ready to serve. Pero panoorin muna natin yung palo. Lastimosa. McDonald's gives a replay. Don't miss my time. 86-36 for a BFF chicken bundle. Cherry Rodina serving. And she will get to serve again. 3-1.
Cherry Rodina, the other part of the beach volleyball champions at 77 UST. Parehong rookie yun. Si Cherry and si Rika. But si Rika sustained an injury. That's why she was able to play indoor volleyball. Pero ang galing, both rookies. You can won the
Championship. Ooh, this set there from Ponon. Bola sa kamay niya.
Violation. They fought against Ponon.
So even the veteran Ponon getting affected by the low-level play ng UE right now. 4 serving 1. Kaimat.
Kaimat in the second set is trying to get some points for UE. So in-expect kasi natin si Trisha Santos. Supposedly nasa lineup siya ng UST, but a few days ago had an appendectomy. And sabi kasi ni Coach Oji, it will take time for her to recover. A few months, actually. So, hindi na nila. They decided to put Rasmo in, the other libero.
Kaimat. Campanos sets it up to Lastimosa. And Lastimosa is just showing us everything today. Down the line, cross-court, off-speed.
So, pag nasa likod kasi si Lastimosa, si EJ Laure naman. So, yun yung nag-work well so far for UST. Their open hitters. It's been really Lastimosa and EJ Laure.
Hindi na nga masyadong ginamit si Mela Tunay, ano? Pinahinga na halos ni Coach Mamon.
And si EJ ngayon sitting on the bench.
Yeah. Also, Cortez, everybody's contributing. Like what we said, UST is getting whatever they want. A wishy oh wow moment. Si Cortez naman to. Open up to everyday surprises with a wishy oh wow. Seems like kahit anong iangat ng setter, no? Pupuntos para sa UST.
Kahit sino contributing. So it's really a team effort for UST so far.
There he is again. Just a push mula kay Lastimosa. And it's another point. Seven, 7-2. UST. That didn't cross the net, according to our umpires. So that's 4 touches against UE as they fall here in set number 3. Fall